Hi, my name is Carolyn Mercer and I'm a naturopathic doctor, and today I wanted to talk to you about various digestive conditions. Maybe you suffer from a condition known as irritable bowel syndrome, Crohn's disease, or ulcerative colitis. Oftentimes we're given these diagnoses from our medical doctors, but we're not really educated on how to actually improve these conditions. This is where a naturopathic doctor can really step in and do an excellent job at helping educate you on how to eat properly and also educating you about how to repair the lining of your gut. So what I generally tell people is when I'm helping them to repair their gut, the first thing, there's 4 R's. The first R stands for remove. So we want to remove any offending allergens or any foods that are potentially causing any inflammatory reactions. Generally what I do is that I'll give people examples of what's called an elimination diet and get them to take out certain foods from their diet, or if they want, I will actually do specialized testing to identify which foods are potentially triggering the allergens. The second thing that we want to do is we want to replace. Oftentimes when I'm talking to a patient, I notice that their body doesn't break down foods properly. So what I want to do is I want to educate patients on what type of digestive enzymes that they should be using to help them break down their foods properly. So because when they're breaking down their foods properly, the body isn't dealing with large masses of foods that potentially cause more damage to the lining of their digestive tract. The third thing we want to do is we want to re-inoculate. In our digestive tract, we have bacteria that live there. And as you know, there are good bacteria and there are bad bacteria. It is normal for us to have a colony of good bacteria that live in our digestive system. What can happen is if we're eating offending foods over long periods of time, we actually find that this causes an acidic buildup in the system, and that potentially causes a die-off of the good bacteria that are there, leaving more bad bacteria. That's why having a good probiotic is necessary and helps us to re-inoculate the good bacteria that should be there. The fourth thing that we want to do is we want to repair. So we want to repair the gut lining using special herbs to help heal the holes that are caused by the damage from the offending foods. So like I said, we want to remove the foods, we want to replace, we want to re-inoculate the good bacteria, and we want to repair the gut lining.